If your Google Chrome keeps opening Yahoo instead of Google, or if Yahoo search has somehow become your default search engine, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix that can help clean up your browser, make searches feel normal again, and put your preferred search engine back in control. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots icon, which is the main menu for Chrome. Click those dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page, where you can manage your browser preferences. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Search Engine. This section controls which search engine Chrome uses by default, along with other search-related settings. Once you're inside the search engine menu, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This is where Chrome stores the list of available search engines, including any that may have been added automatically. Now look through the list and find your preferred search engine, such as Google. Before you can remove Yahoo, you need to make sure another search engine is set as the default. So, click the 3 dots next to Google, or whichever search engine you want to use, and choose Make Default. This step is important because Chrome won't let you delete Yahoo until a new default search engine is selected first. After that, scroll through the list and find Yahoo. Once you see it, click the 3 dots next to Yahoo Search. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Chrome may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. This will remove Yahoo from your search engine list and stop it from being your default option. If Yahoo was being forced into your browser by an extension or browser hijacker, you may also want to check your extensions and homepage settings afterward, just to make sure everything is back to normal. But for most users, setting a new default search engine and deleting Yahoo from the list is enough to fix the issue. And that's it. You've now removed Yahoo search from Google Chrome and restored your preferred search engine. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy browser tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.